Okay, we're out here at a construction project where they're actually pouring some elevated slabs as well as concrete columns. Take a look.
Okay, we're here at the back of a project that actually has elevated slabs as well as concrete columns. You see that the concrete columns have rebar is in them, of course, and they were placed in there with steel forms around them. The steel forms have been removed, and now you see on the front side of the project, you see the concrete columns, the plywood platform, and the forming that's going on with the vertical and horizontal supports getting ready to form. It's a relatively speaking, a flat slab with some drop panels and heads. And as you see, we are moving down the project length, and you'll see they are continuing on, and some of the forms have been removed in the distance. But here's a better view, a little bit closer up, where you can actually see the plywood forms, the 4x4s underneath it with the supports as well, and then some of those areas have been stripped out, and you actually see the clean flat bottom of the slab with the drop panels. Pretty clear, pretty straightforward. Nothing really complicated here. Okay, we're now in Sage estimating. As you see, I loaded an elevated slab assembly, just like the one we saw in the live video. This video is for those folks that want more detail. All you do in the assembly is enter the area in square feet, or have eTakeoff do that automatically for you. That would be efficiency at its best. Sage Estimating easily generates all these quantities in detail with real labor, real production rates, and real cost. This is perfect for the general contractor, construction manager, or even an owner. It's just that simple. There you go. Sage Estimating. Real fast and real easy.